Welcome, my dear friends, to our YouTube चैनल फाउंडेशन इंग्लिश कोर्स। तो आज हम बात करेंगे इस वीडियो में कुछ यूज़फुल अल्टरनेटिव इन इंग्लिश। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा ये आज का वीडियो। इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग डोंट मेक मी एंग्री, ट्राइंग सेइंग डोंट पुश माई बटन्स। आगे बढ़ते हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग टेल मी क्लियरली, we use trying to saying don't beat around the bush. Instead of saying I am busy, trying to saying I am all caught up. Instead of saying I am done talking, try saying I rest my case. I rest my case. Instead of saying let's make things more exciting, trying saying let's spice things up. Instead of saying can I trust you, try saying can I rely on or count on you. Instead of saying please show me how to do it, try saying please walk me through it. Please walk me through it. Instead of saying you can't do better than that, try saying you can't beat that. You can't beat that. Thanks for watching. Thank you.